What's going on there, folks? It is Earthmaster, August 18th, 2018, 5:43 p.m. Got a very large mega earthquake coming into the seismograph stations that you can see here, showing up on all the stations to be exact. This is in the Tonga region, coming from a large 7.9 earthquake. As you can see here on the earthquake 3D globe, a super large earthquake. It's a big one, so we're going to go ahead and check some information on it real quick, see if there's a tsunami statement first from these folks. Let's see here real quick. Right now they're stating there is no watch, warning, or advisory in effect. I do want to check the details of this earthquake right here. Based on all available data, a destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not expected, and there is no tsunami threat to Hawaii. Repeat, a destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not expected, and there is no tsunami threat to Hawaii. Once again, this coming from a 7.9 earthquake. You can see right there that red dot on the globe. USGS putting this at an 8.2. Now that is mega earthquake material right there, if that is indeed the correct information. And take a look at the depth of this earthquake, 559 kilometers below the surface. Now that itself is an eye-opener right there, but when you put a mega quake at that depth, something big's going on. I did mention it a couple days ago in our past videos that we need to be watching for some bigger activity. I was looking more or less like at the quiet zones, but right now, we've seen it in an area where we've seen deep earthquake activity many times in the past there in the Fiji Islands region. We're always seeing deep earthquake activity. But in 8.2 at that level is crazy and eye-opening, to say the least. This is definitely going to be ringing the bell and ultimately affecting some other... that one's stuck right there. This seismograph is stuck, so it's not showing the correct data coming on, but it will here in a second. Anyway, so that type of information, or that type of earthquake coming in there, is pretty significant, to say the least, and it will ring the bell at that depth of the of an earthquake. You're going to see P waves for an extended period of time throughout the globe, and we'll definitely be on watch and on guard for further earthquake activity, as this one here at that level can ultimately affect the entire plate in certain areas. You know, whether it be close by or on the totally opposite side of the plate here near California or the West Coast. You never know. We have to keep an eye open now with this mega quake coming in here. So anyway, once again, no report of a tsunami coming in. That's from the Pacific the Tsunami Information Center, Management Center. No tsunami once again. I do want to check these folks here and read their information, but it should remain the same amongst the agencies here. 7.9. Once again, there is no tsunami danger for the U.S. Tsunami is not expected from that depth of an earthquake once again. Now, if that had been pretty shallow, say 5 to 10 kilometers, we'd be looking at probably a good sized tsunami being generated in the region. So luckily that is not the case, folks, right now. So anyway, once again, 7.9 is being reported, but also an 8.2, right? 8.2 is also being reported instead from the USGS website right here. So let's keep a watch on it. I will update the magnitude if need be. But for now, 8.2, right around the Fiji Islands region, within that area, and it's going to be an interesting night to see what the outcome is of all this activity here that we've been seeing over the past couple days. Now with this mega quake here, just it adds icing onto the cake, so to speak. All right, folks, I'm gonna get this video uploaded here, and we'll chat to you guys a little bit later. Peace out. Stay safe out there.